Hello everyone, Benelli recently made a splash at the Beijing Motor Show with the introduction of the 902S, a 105 bhp parallel twin roadster that bears a striking resemblance to Ducati's iconic Monster. This new offering from Benelli is an upgrade of the 752S featuring a larger engine capacity and improved performance. With its Italian styling and high-quality components, the 902S is poised to make a significant impact in the two-cylinder roadster class. The Benelli 902S is equipped with a 904cc liquid-cooled parallel twin-cylinder engine that produces 105 bhp, a significant increase over its predecessor. The use of a trellis frame, tubular rear swing arm, as well as high-specification components such as Brembo brakes and Marzocchi suspension further improves the motorbike's performance and handling. Reportedly lighter than the 752S, the 902S offers improved acceleration and agility on the road, making it a formidable competitor in its class. For its design, the Benelli 902S takes inspiration from the Italian style that defines the brand. With a sleek and aggressive appearance, the 902S exudes a sporty and modern aesthetic that is sure to turn heads. This motorcycle's 17-inch wheels, 1,460mm wheelbase, and 810mm seat height offer a comfortable and agile riding experience for a wide range of riders. While pricing and availability details are yet to be confirmed, anticipation for the 902S hitting the UK market is high, given the success of its predecessor. With the introduction of the Benelli 902S marks a significant step forward for the brand in the two-cylinder roadster segment. With improvements in power, performance, and design, the 902S is ready to challenge established players like Monster Ducati and make a name for itself in the competitive market. As motorcycle enthusiasts await further details on pricing and availability, the Benelli 902S opens an exciting new chapter in the world of naked bikes. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.